Good morning, my fellow humans. Today we're working on the Del Sol again, and I've got a lovely film assistant here today, so I don't have to tripod everything, which is really nice. So today we're just working on getting this thing running and actually sanitary, because as you guys saw in the last video, it wasn't very nice. It is really dusty inside, so that's what we're going to be working on. But also, as you guys saw in the last video, it didn't want to start very well. So I am going to just test to see if it starts first, and if not, then we're going to put a trickle charger on it. So, survey says we've got chime, that's good. Ah, we're close. Okay, so before we start cleaning, we're just going to put a trickle charger on it, just so that it has a little bit of time to hopefully fix itself, because the battery seems not to be completely dead yet. So we'll get this on here. Okay, so I've got my trickle chargers right here. I'm just gonna leave this on for now. Right there, and right there. And Mr. Film Assistant, follow me. We're just gonna make sure that it's actually doing what it's supposed to be doing. And solid red means charging, hopefully. So yeah, we'll get the camera on the tripod, and my film assistant, it's my younger brother, we're gonna be just vacuuming in there, doing what I can to make it so that every time I sit down, it doesn't make a poof of dust. So yeah, let's get to cleaning. Okay, we're taking the seats out. Oh my God. This is nasty.
There's actually a lot of change in here.
I know. I'm gonna make my money back just on the change in this alone.
9. There's at least 9 pennies. Oh, sorry, 10. 10 pennies and or dimes in here. Well, A, they're stuck to the floor mat, and B, they're blue.
All right, for reference, untouched floor mat. Jesus. Do the other one. Oh my God, my car. Actually.
Oh, wait.
Oh, there's no wire. Sick. All right, follow me. So we've got a progress report. As you guys just saw, we pressure washed the hell out of these. So they're just air drying right now, and we're just gonna let them do their thing in the sun. It's like supposed to be 104 today, so not the end of the world. They'll dry eventually. Seats are coming along. They're significantly better than they were before. So we're gonna finish up those. And then the carpet, as you guys saw, we've been vacuuming the hell out of as well. we're gonna cut to the end of cleaning because this is taking a lot longer than I thought I would, and it's just gonna be like a 40-minute cleaning video. Let me know if you guys want that. We'll be back once everything's done, reinstalled, all that stuff. So, see y'all in a bit. Okay, well, it's been like 4 hours of cleaning. It's not perfect, but it is definitely better than it was, so we'll take that. So let me show you guys where we're at now. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but that was much cleaner, much cleaner than it was before. And I'm pretty proud of it. It's not 100%, like I said, but it's getting there. And so, yeah, I mean, I'm a lot more stoked to sit in it than I was before, I'll tell you that. So now we're just gonna go get some pressure in the tires because they are still indeed flat. So I'm literally just going next door. I'm using their air compressor. And then, yeah, I think I'm gonna call it quits for today because it's hot and I'm tired and I wanna get this video out today if possible. So imagine 2 uploads in a row. Couldn't be me. Let's see if it starts first of all. And then hopefully we can get it moved next door. Okay, now I did just take off the trickle charger. I don't have completely high hopes for this, but we'll see. The battery seems okayer than it was when we picked it up yesterday, and the chime's pretty loud, so let's pray for the best. Oh, half a crank. Okay, let's get this moved out there. Let's go put some air in it. Okay, I pull up, pop out at the after party. Now I may have made a fatal mistake. Oh, this thing is hot. Oh my God. Ow, ow, ow. Why am I still holding it? Ow. Damn. I shut the car off in my neighbor's garage. So let's hope it starts again. Worst case, I'm sure it'll bump start, no problem, in reverse now, but we'll see. Let's see. Solid 20 pounds we're sitting at, so. Oh, I guess I should turn the compressor on. Okay, well, it was 20, 20, 20, and 10. So I ended up just jumping them all up to 35, 36-ish. So praying that it starts again. Let's see, can we get it back into the garage in one piece? Like it never left, baby. Let's go. And it doesn't grind into reverse? Let's go. Oh, and it's so much easier to turn without flat tires, regardless of the manual rack. Oh, this is much nicer. All right, guys, so that's gonna be the end of this video. We got the Del Sol back in the garage. thank God it cleaned up nicely. I'm really stoked on that actually. And also the air in the tires is being able to just drive around the court real quick and then get it back in, and I'm not wrenching at it for God's sake and hoping that I don't hit the house on the way backing up into the garage. Fantastic. So I think that's where I'm gonna end it. Not a very eventful video, but a video nonetheless. And I hope that the audio quality was better because I didn't have my mic on me when I was out last time at the seller's house, so there was a lot of wind noise from that. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see me do with this. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked. Hopefully by next video, we will have gotten it to a smog shop and then actually gotten it road legal. But no 15-minute rant at the end of the video. I'm just gonna end it off here. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, have a good day. Stay cool if you're on the West Coast. It's hot. Bye.